Hello everyone. So friends, in our last lecture we saw the demonstration of how we can create a mock test double using Mockito. We saw how we can use mockito.mock to create a mock object for our repository. So in this lecture we'll see that how we can create a spy test double using Mockito. So friends, in our previous lecture when we created the spy manually, so in that lecture we saw that how we can create our own spy and how it helps us in doing the behavior verification. So friends, the only difference between mock and spy in terms of how they behave in a test double is they both do the behavior verification, but the spy does all the assertions and behavior verification at the test level. But in mock, if I go to mock test, here you can see the behavior verification was done at the mock end here. So friends, you can watch the previous lectures where we created this mock and spy manually. So in this lecture we'll see that how we can create a spy using Mockito framework. So friends, if I go to mock test, we saw the demo that how we can create a mock test double using Mockito. So for the spy it works pretty much same. So I'll simply copy this test and I go to spy test. I simply paste it here. So I give the test name as demo spy with Mockito. We'll import Mockito and let's say I perform the static import. So I simply do add static import for mockito.mock, and here also I do the same. So friends, here you can see that in order to create a spy using Mockito, there is a method mockito.spy. So instead of mock we can use spy. We'll import it and we simply provide the class instance for which we want to provide a spy. So here whenever you do mockito.spy, we get a spy test double. Here let's say I rename it to book repository spy. So friend, rest of the stuff works exactly the same what we discussed in our previous lecture when we did a demo of creating test double with Mockito. So here, if I run the test case now, so here you can see the test case got executed successfully. So friends, creating a spy with Mockito is very simple. We simply call mockito.spy. Also friends, there is one important difference between mock and spy in terms of Mockito framework. So friends, when we do mockito.mock, we create the mock object for our external dependencies. But when we do mockito.spy, so we are not mocking the instance on any particular external dependency. So what happens is a spy is created on an actual object. So friends, for time being we'll keep it as simple that how mockito.spy works, and later there is a complete section where we'll discuss what is exact difference between mockito.mock and mockito.spy. So in this context, both worked exactly the same. So as a test double, we saw what difference they had, but when it comes to how to create those test doubles with Mockito, they work somewhat differently. So we'll see the demonstration of that difference in our upcoming lectures. But for timing, we'll keep the stuff that we can create a spy using mockito.spy and we can create a mock using mockito.mock. So friends, I hope you like this video. Thanks, have a nice day.